If you want to lock premium content behind memberships, sell access to courses or articles, or simply hide certain pages from non-members, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you step by step how to use the RestrictMate plugin to create membership levels, set up payments, restrict any page, post, or content, and create a smooth front-end experience for your members. Let's jump in. RestrictMate is a WordPress membership and content restriction plugin. With it, you can turn your posts, pages, and even custom content into members-only content. Create membership levels like free, silver, gold. Accept payments via Stripe or manual stock offline payment. And give users a front-end account area to manage their subscription. In this tutorial, I'll start from a fresh install and set everything up like you would on a real site. First, let's install the plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, Add New. In the search box, type RestrictMate, restrict page, post, and any content. Click Install now and then activate. Once it's activated, you'll see a new RestrictMate menu in your admin sidebar. Let's do a quick tour so you know where everything lives. Inside RestrictMate, you'll typically see sections like Dashboard/Overview, Quick Stats about members and subscriptions, Membership Level, where you create your plans, free, pro, etc. Members, subscriptions, list of users and their active plans, transactions, payments, log of successful payments, settings including currency, payment gateways like Stripe, and default pages. Don't worry, we'll actually configure these step by step now. First, let's configure some basics. Go to RestrictMate Settings. Set your currency, for example USD, BDT, etc. Choose your default pages if the plugin provides options like registration page, account page, thank you. Success page. RestrictMate creates these pages automatically when you install the plugin. However, if you don't have these pages yet, don't worry. We'll create them with shortcodes in a moment. Click Save Changes when you're done. Next, we'll connect payments so you can actually charge for membership. Go to the Payment or Gateways tab under Settings. You'll see options like Stripe and Manual, offline for Stripe, turn Stripe on, enabled. Paste your publishable key and secret key from your Stripe dashboard. Make sure you choose the correct mode, test versus live, while setting up for manual, offline payments. Enable it if you want users to be able to pay via bank transfer, cash, Bcash, etc. Add a short instruction like, send payment to your details, then we'll manually approve your account. Click. Save now. Your site is ready to accept membership payments. Now let's create the actual membership plans. Go to Membership Levels under RestrictMate. Click Add New Level. Example 1. Name. Free price. 0 billing. Type. Free or no renewal. Time for the plan. Leave as 0 for unlimited access. Status. Active or inactive to keep it displayed on the plan in the front end. User role created for this plan, subscribers, or any other role of your choice. Click Save/Publish. Create as many levels as your site needs. This is the most important part. Protecting your content. Open any post or page you want to restrict. Scroll down or look in the sidebar for the RestrictMate meta box/panel. You'll see all of your membership levels. Choose members with free or pro member level. You can select multiple levels for one post or page of any content of your choice. Update the post. Now, if a non-member tries to open this page, they will either see a message like, "You must be a pro member to view this content," or be redirected to the registration most of the time login page, depending on how the plugin is configured. Repeat this for any course lessons, premium blog posts, or resource pages you want to protect. Now, let's act as a regular viewer or member. Open the locked page in incognito or any non-logged-in browser. You will see it is locked. Click Register. Do the necessary payment option, then register. As we have selected manual payment, an admin needs to verify and approve our account. Let's do that as an admin. Go to Dashboard and check transactions. Approve the pending transactions. It will automatically update the subscription. Now let's open the page as the user. Again, we will see the content. This is how you can control any content of your website. We have lots of other features and pro add-ons. Please explore them. Free version is more than enough to get you started. For more tutorials and documentation, visit our website RestrictMate.com. See how easy it is to make a membership website. Best wishes for your membership website. Take care. Bye.